Welcome to Raw Machines, the home of the most dangerous and fastest industrial crushers that show no mercy. Cars, wood, steel, and concrete crumble in seconds, but behind the chaos lies a purpose: recycling power that transforms today's waste into tomorrow's resources. The Bonfiglioli car press works on the principle of high-pressure hydraulics, delivering hundreds of tons of force. When a car enters the press chamber, its steel frame, glass, and plastics are compacted into a small block. This not only saves valuable storage space, but also enhances the efficiency of sorting and recycling processes. While a road accident damages a car partially, the scrapyard claw crushes a Mini completely. Instead of taking weeks to dismantle, industrial machinery finishes the job in minutes. This contrast highlights how modern mechanical technology revolutionizes the way we handle and recycle old cars. A twin-shaft shredder running at $250 kg delivers over 120,000 FTLBs of torque. That force lets hardened steel beams snap like twigs. Slow-speed rotors prevent dangerous kickbacks, making the machine safe and precise while still crushing through scrap metal non-stop in heavy recycling yards. Compared to small farm chippers, the Eschelbuck Biber 84 stands out in scale and power. While smaller units might take all day to process a few cubic meters, this red beast handles tons per hour. It's the clear difference between household equipment and industrial-grade machinery. The Zato Blue Devil twin-shaft shredder runs at 400 HP, using slow-speed torque to crush scrap steel and non-ferrous metals. Its real trick is density, packing shredded material so recyclers save transport costs. One car reduced in 60 seconds shows why controlled energy beats brute force every time. The Squalo 4000 vertical shear from Ingbon Figlioli slices HMS scrap with 4,000-ton cutting force. Its tilted design reduces vibration and saves energy, turning oversized junk into compact feedstock. Think of it as applied physics, converting kinetic energy into recycling efficiency. Imagine tossing a solid brass faucet in, hearing the 95,000 FTLB's torque roar, and watching it vanish in seconds. Challenge accepted. Nothing from the bathroom drawer survives this beast. Crushing turns into a show, blending raw destruction with oddly satisfying entertainment. Compared to a car crash, the force of a steel ball drop is many times greater. It proves industrial accidents can pose risks far beyond everyday traffic collisions. Each 2,500-pound tire bale from the REB2 250 prevents landfill overflow. By compressing bulky rubber into dense blocks, Sierra machines cut hauling costs and reduce emissions. Recycling isn't just technical, it's environmental responsibility, showing heavy engineering can directly protect communities from waste pollution. Scrap handling cranes emerged in the mid-20th century as recycling faced massive volumes of retired vehicles. In the past, dismantling a bus took days, but now it takes minutes. This marks a milestone in modern recycling technology. The Newson 12002, weighing around 12 tons, paired with the Westech Woodcracker W1000, generates up to 280 kN of hydraulic force. That energy translates into splitting poplar logs nearly 1 meter thick with remarkable control, turning raw wood into process-ready material. The Hamel Hem 400D runs with 480 HP diesel power, designed to shred cables and secondary scrap with consistent torque. Its slow-speed rotor ensures precise particle size, making recycling more efficient and safer for operators. Recycling wood scraps from demolition sites reduces landfill waste. Instead of burning and polluting, they are turned into valuable feedstock. It transforms waste into resources, cutting carbon emissions while supporting a circular economy. Watching the Model 1000 shred everything from plastic barrels to metal frames sparks curiosity. Is there anything it can't handle? It feels like an industrial challenge, keeping viewers both thrilled and entertained. Its raw power not only impresses, but also showcases the strength of modern technology. Whoa, that board didn't even last 2 seconds. Python just chewed through impact-proof flooring like potato chips. The crunch gave me chills, but respect. The precision here makes it strangely satisfying, not reckless. Hats off to the operators managing this beast. Recycling PP, PE, and PVC with single-shaft shredders prevents thousands of pounds of plastic from landfills. By controlling chip size, plants reuse material without extra processing, cutting energy waste. These machines turn environmental responsibility into industrial efficiency. SSI introduced the dual shear line back in the 1980s to handle bulky municipal waste. Decades later, the monster remains iconic. Engineered in Oregon, USA, it still represents American ingenuity in tackling the toughest scrap challenges. The Zerma shredder applies over 200 kilodolars of cutting force, breaking wood pallets into chips, while its magnetic separator removes nails. This dual process not only protects downstream equipment, but also creates cleaner wood material for recycling and reuse. Compared to manual dismantling, the JMC machine saves hours of labor and reduces accident risks. While a worker might need hours to break down an engine, JMC does it in minutes. This contrast shows how automation is replacing human effort in heavy industries. Looking deeper at the TAZ 280, dual shafts rotate with controlled torque to avoid dangerous recoil. Its 150-ton capacity raises questions. How do operators ensure safety while feeding massive chunks? The answer lies in strict gear protocols. The M&J 4000 uses twin shafts delivering nearly 320,000 FTLBs of torque, crushing tree stumps with slow rotation. This design minimizes energy spikes, increases safety, and proves why Denmark's recycling technology is considered among the world's most reliable. Behind every crushed hood is a worker relying on TPA's safety shields and sensors. These machines protect jobs and health, letting crews recycle mountains of scrap without fear. A reminder that progress should safeguard people first. Man, watching that 4-shaft shredder rip apart fibers feels unreal. The cutters just keep spinning. No hesitation, no mercy. It's wild how the machine doesn't even slow down. Absolute beast. Makes you respect industrial engineering on another level. The Ulster shredder slices that bathtub into pieces using dual shafts pushing nearly 90,000 FTLBs of torque. Slow-speed rotation prevents dangerous kickbacks, showing how kinetic energy gets converted into pure crushing force without losing control. Whoa, those 38-foot blasts looked insane. You can literally see rocks flying sky high. The 15-foot shots almost felt tame compared to that monster detonation in the back row. Behind the ERI gates in Fresno, you'll find shredders built to neutralize sensitive data. Each machine is rated at 20 tons per hour, meeting federal e-waste security standards, ensuring confidential documents embedded in scanners are never retrievable once shredded. The TPA shredder runs a 250 kilovolt motor, delivering over 110,000 FTLBs of torque. That energy breaks aluminum bars without rebound. Slow rotor design minimizes sparks, proving how kinetic energy and torque turn lightweight metal into recyclable chips with safety ensured. In the past, discarded cartons were often burned or buried. With the advent of carton presses, the process transformed, turning waste into recyclable raw materials. It marked a key milestone in the recycled paper industry. Grizzly bars use spacing and vibration to screen oversized rocks, letting only smaller pieces fall. powered by hydraulic drives at 80 kilowatts, they create steady throughput, reducing blockages and keeping operators safe during quarrying. Up close, the Pronar MRS 1.53 runs with optimized torque-to-speed ratios, preventing kickbacks when crushing dense lumber. Its 3D basket ensures safer handling, but workers must still wear protective gear as wood shards can eject unpredictably. Behind the roar of the VAZ 1100 XL are workers feeding plastic piles daily. For them, this isn't just shredding, it's livelihood and safety. The machine's shields protect, but their gloves, helmets, and focus keep recycling human-centered. Machines assist, people lead. Compared to older guillotine shears, the Squalo 3000 stands out. No anchoring, fully mobile, yet it outmuscles stationary units. While traditional cutters stall on H-beams, this Italian beast powered in Texas crushes through steel frames like warm butter. Every 55 minutes, this machine transforms waste piles into reusable streams. By shrinking weight and recycling iron, Oreco 95DK cuts trucking emissions, extends fleet life, and proves heavy industry can actually reduce its footprint while still generating profit. Imagine tossing Johannesburg's toughest stumps into the VB650. Those twin shafts don't flinch. With 320 horses under the hood, it chomps through gnarly logs like a backyard chipper on steroids. Who wouldn't want front row seats for that show?
They held a couple of full frame vehicles, Cadillac.
The slow squeeze, the metal folding layer by layer, and the final pop of glass. It's strangely soothing. Each crunch feels like industrial ASMR, turning scrapyard chaos into a strangely calming experience. Behind BM 1500's crushing jaws stand hard-working operators. Every shift they trust the machine's power, yet rely on teamwork and vigilance. Their unseen effort ensures safety, recycling progress, and cleaner communities for everyone. You've just witnessed the raw power of machines that leave nothing standing. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss what's coming next from Raw Machines. Got questions? Don't hesitate to drop them in the comments.